What should we want to do next? We want to save our app. In order to do that, you have to click this save button right here. Let's change it to super app. Saving. But I would like to share to you something more functions of the Power App wherein you would really like. So it's an app. So in order for you to have a much more definitive look of your app, you can change the icon through this gear icon right here on the left side. Click on that one. You see this one? An app icon. You can change it. Actually, it depends on you which one you like. It's like, for example, let's say Happy Smiley. That's your app icon. You can change the background of that to green or yellow. It depends on you. You can also change the icon fill. Instead of white, make it yellow. There are other functionalities here that you don't need to worry about. That's more on performance of the app. All right, so we close this one and then we save it again. All right, so now we don't want to do that yet because what we're going to do is we have to do it on our own. So here on the right side of the screen is this icon right here, publish button. You click on that one, give you a prompt, you will be publishing this. Click on publish this version, give it a few minutes, moments, what it does. And once it's done, you just have to go back to the Power Apps home button, home screen, and then click on apps on the left side. And there you go. That's your app. So what you're going to do, if you click on the name of the app, it opens into its actual look. If you want to add records, if you want to delete records, it's all there. All right, that's it for now. On to the next video. Okay, we're back again. So, what we want to do is we want to show you on how if we create changes in our data, if how are we going to update it? How are we going to change, reflect the changes in our Power App? So, point of hint, point of reminder, you notice this is our data. Initially, if you want to go back when I showed it to you, it doesn't have this column H. This column H was created by PowerApps to link this dataset or this list into the PowerApps. So, and then anything else what you do, you don't touch this because you will break the link. So what we want to do is, for example, we want to add a new column and we'll name it or just All right. So once we're done with that, good thing working online, it automatically saves. We close that. We refresh this one. Let's see if there you go. See? So now we go back to this and we go to edit. Go to Power Apps. To load depend on internet speed. Hopefully it's really fast. Give me a few moments, seconds. There you go. This is our old file that we're working on, or the app that we're working on earlier. What we want to do in the detail screen, it doesn't show the gender yet because that's a column that we added. In order to do that, is that we want to add it in one of the fields. So in order to do that, click on the details screen in the tree view. Click on the detail form. See this one right here on the right side, fields, edit fields. You see that one? These are the fields. Oh, by the way, you can reorder these fields based on how you want to look it. How do you want it looks like in your app? So, for example, we want to start with the employee ID first. This is like a click and drag thing. There you go. All right. So, just wanted to show you that functionality. Next one is we want to add the gender. There you go. The gender's right there. Add it. It's at the bottom of the list. We can move this one up after the last name. There you go. Close this, and the gender is here. Sad thing is you have to do this on the edit screen as well. It's just the same way. Edit form, fields, add field. Click on that one, it automatically identifies it. Uh, there you go. It's because I have reloaded this version of my Power Apps. That's why it's showing the changes in the OneDrive. But if the screen is not yet reloaded, what you have to do is click on the data, click on here, and then refresh. That's just how you do it. And in order for us to see the changes that we did, we have to save this one first. Looks like it's already saved. Go back to tree view. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the preview, how it looks like. Yeah, the gender's right there. But we want to see it in the apps. So in our apps, let's try to relaunch this. Hopefully the gender's there. Alright, so it's not yet there. It's because we haven't resaved it yet. Let's close this. Hopefully it is still here. If not, we just have to redo it. But that's how you make the changes. You have to change it in the Power App by editing the icon or the form into the app, which if you added a new column in the data source. It's right here. You just have to save this. All right, so click on save. Hopefully it will be up here. Oh, we have to republish it, I think. Publish this version. That's and let's go back. Let's see. I think that was the missing step. Hopefully it's there. Let's refresh this. That was an old. See, it automatically prompts you. That was the old version. This is the new version, and it has gender. All right, so that's it. On to the next video.